pairs are the pairs that I'm going to be analyzing. Pound USD, I'm going to be analyzing USDCHF, and I'm also going to be analyzing gold. XAUUSD, those are the three pairs that I'm going to be analyzing, and we see how we can align ourselves with the market so that we can move along with the market. As the market is moving this, we can make some profits of the market. So the first one that I'm going to be analyzing is pound USD. That is the first pair that I'm going to be analyzing. And currently I'm on the daily charts of pound USD, and as we all know, the first thing that I do is I have to zoom out first so that I can see the bigger picture, what the market has done in the past, so that we can use that to predict what the market is going to do in the future. So when I zoom out, the purpose of zooming out is you can see what the market, the past data of the market, and see what the market is going to do also again in the past. And I've drawn a support zone there in the market that has been tested a couple of times in the market. I see that right there. I see that right there. Because I mean, basically, this is it. The market has been in a period of uptrend for a while. Got to this point, came back down, then went up. It's made a higher high, and it come back to bounce off the what of the support region again. Now it's on its way back to the top again, probably to make equal high or to test this region before dropping again, or to even form a new higher high. We don't know, but all we can say is the market is bouncing off this support region and it's heading to the upside. That is what we see, and that is what we can say for this market. So we've drawn out our resistance zone in the market, and is there any other zone we can see that we can still draw? That could be okay. I see this one right here. I see this one right here has been tested a lot of times in the market. Tested as what? Support here, went up, broke down, tested as resistance, came back down, tested as resistance, eventually broke it up to the upside. Then we'll be anticipating the what? A drop down to this region here in the market. Then we'll see how we can move the market to the upside. Basically, we can see the market is in an uptrend. So we're done on the daily time frame. We move to the what? To the 4-hour time frame. We move to the 4-hour time frame. So we're on the 4-hour time frame now. We'll see how we can adjust and do the same analysis on the daily time frame that we've done. We'll see how we can make some adjustments right here in the market. Okay, so it has been adjusted properly, and as we can see on the daily time frame, the market is in an uptrend. So we are looking for buy opportunities. As you can see, the market is making series of higher highs and higher lows. So what are we expecting? We're expecting the market, because it's currently in a retracement phase, so the market will come back probably around here, or comes to this place before it starts pushing to the upside again. Whatever the market wants to do, we're fully ready for it. But all I can say is that the market is in an uptrend. It's heading to the upside. It is a buy. Pound USD is a buy. Somewhere around here, the market is going to buy. That is what I see. The market is making higher highs and higher lows. You can draw it here. Support, strong resistance, because the market is buying. These are the areas you can buy from. It's either the market moves to the upside from here, and we get an entry, we take it, or the market comes back to give a deep pullback entry, and then continues its move to the upside. Either one of these two things would happen. That is what I see. Then I go to the next pair, which I'm going to be analyzing, which is USDCHF. That is another pair that I'm going to be analyzing. So as usual, I go to the daily time frame to see what the market is doing, and I zoom out first of all. So after I've zoomed out, so I'll be able to see the major structures in the market, major levels in the market. So I would see it, then I would know where to get in, where to get out, and where the market could likely head to. So having done that, so that is currently, as you can see, I'm drawing the support and resistance, and I'm actually going to explain the reason why I actually draw those support and resistance in those areas that I've actually drawn them at, so you can see. It's not like I'm just drawing lines anywhere in the market, and as I've always said, they are not lines in the market. They are actually zones in the market. They are not lines. They are zones in the market. So the market came here, right? Bounced, upside, came to this place again, it broke down, right? But came back, tested it here again, some kind of test here again. So there are multiple tests here. There is a test here, there is a test here, there is one here, there is another one here for this one. And for this one, there is a test here, there is a test here. And for the upside, there is a test here, there is a test here, there is a test here. So because the market is actually in a kind of range between this resistance and this support zone, and it's just bouncing down from the resistance region here, so we know the market is what? It is heading down. So the market is what? Heading down. Don't forget, pound USD, it is buying. USD CHF, from our analysis on this daily time frame, we're expecting it to sell all the way down to this place. That is what we're expecting. USD CHF, we're expecting it to sell all the way down to this place. But let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see how we can actually fine tune our entry. So we'll go to the 4-hour time frame and we'll do that. So what do you see? This looks like some head and shoulders pattern. I'll show you. It looks like some head and shoulders pattern that I actually see. Yeah, it looks like some head and shoulders pattern, just like I said. Yeah, basically it is. Basically it is. So it is heading down. Actually, it is heading down. It is heading down. Yeah, it is heading down. Basically, that's what I see. It is heading down. So I expect this because I'll show you on this time frame. So this could happen. The market could do this. The market could actually do this. Head back upside. Then from this region, the market could do this. Hold on. Let me show you what I think the market could do before heading down. Eventually the market is going to head down, but because of what I'm looking at here, the market could do what? The market could head up again to give some kind of double top in this place before heading down, or the market could just break out of this place and head straight down, just like that. The market could do that. So basically what we're saying is USDCHF is selling. Don't forget, in our previous analysis on pound USD is what? Is buying. USDCHF, as expected, is selling. And now we go to gold. Before I open gold, I'll be expecting gold to be buying because pound USD is buying. Pound USD, Euro USD, gold, they are correlated to some extent. They are correlated. So pound USD is buying. I'll be expecting gold to also be buying. But let's get there. Let's open it so we see first. Gold, 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 gold. SAU USD, SAU USD, SAU USD. Let me get it. SAU, okay, got it. SAU USD. So to the daily time frame. First of all, as we know, that is my habit and that is the way that I approach the market. It is called top-down analysis. So let's look for the major zones on the market, support and resistance on the market. The ones that are relevant to the market, actually. The ones that are relevant to the market. So the market just broke out of this. Is there anyone that is above that market that I'm actually heading to? The market just broke into a new high, actually. The market just broke into a new high. I don't think the market has ever gotten to that high. I don't think so. From what I can see, it hasn't gotten that high before in the market. So basically, what are you expecting? It's in an uptrend. The daily. Let's go to the daily time frame. It's in an uptrend. That is what I think. The market is in an uptrend. So we don't know how high it's going to get for now, but at least it's still buying, and that is what we see. So to the daily time, to the 4-hour time frame, I mean. So I see this support here tested multiple times. I see that support there. Oh, I see this here as well. I see this here. I see this here. So this looks like some kind of cup and handle pattern. If you check it very, very well, it looks like some cup and handle pattern. looks like some cup and handle pattern. So you can just wait for the breakouts, like an obvious breakout of this zone before you buy, and you can as well buy here. You can as well buy here because there is a zone actually somewhere around here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame so you see it properly. Let me remove this so you can actually see what I'm saying properly. So this is what I'm saying here. This is what I'm saying here. Because there is a support zone here. Has been tested a couple of times. God.